Good day. Your next challenge is entitled Multiply by Length. You are to create a function to multiply all of the values in an array by the amount of values in the given array. See the examples? It's a little bit wordy. So this first one, we've got 2, 3, 1, 0. And you notice the output is the same size, where each of these elements has been transformed by multiplying by the array size. So there are 4 elements in here. You're going to multiply by 4 each element and put the result in here. So 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 4 is 4, and 0 times 0 is 0. We'll do one more example to make sure that's clear. This array is size 3, so multiply each element by 3. 4 by 3 is 12, 1 by 3 is 3, 1 by 3 is 3. Okay, I think that's clear now. Feel free to work through the rest if you don't understand. Notes, all of the values are given as numbers. All arrays will have at least one element, okay, if you want to trust them. And don't forget to return the result. Thank you. Let's go code. Pause the video and solve the problem. Okay, I'm going to use link. I found a method that did what I wanted to do for this. It was the select method, and I like this overload here. I'll show you what that is. And I think the best, you can see this description kind of sums it up. Projects each element of a sequence into a new form, where our new form is simply a multiplication, translation of multiplying by the array size. So this example I think makes it really clear what you can do. We're going to take our array, don't worry about this, it's just making a collection of the numbers 1 to 10. We're going to be passed in array, and then we'll just call this select, and we'll give it a lambda to do what we want to it. You can see in this example they're doing squares, so they're just multiplying the number by itself. You can probably readily see how to convert this into what we want to do, but you should go do that now if you haven't. So let's see, and that's why I added link. It says the namespace is system link, so we'll do that. We have our array, and or our IEnumerable as it was called there. We know we can call select on that, and we're going to give it a lambda function. I'm going to use the variable name n because that's a common variable name for integers, and I'm going to say return n times array.length. That's the size, right? So you're just taking each element, multiplying it by the length. Now select, if we notice, select, yeah, okay, we should be good. Select will give us a collection, but I'm going to use this to array to get it back to an integer array that they're expecting. So know that we have this to array method we can use as well. I can run it here. I think it's going to get mad at me if I do. I think we need to put the to array there, but if you just want to see, yeah. Oh, well, we didn't return, that could help, right? But I still think we need the to array. See, they cannot implicitly convert type system collection generic IEnumerable int. That's what we got back from select, was this IEnumerable collection. Remember, that's a more generalized thing. An array is a more concrete implementation of that. And they're pretty much telling us right here, hey buddy, we need an integer array. So this IEnumerable thing, it could be any kind. It's a more generic kind of collection, and it doesn't meet the contract specified here, saying, hey, we need specifically an integer array. So fortunately for us, we saw they give us that method to array. So it's going to take this IEnumerable of type integer, and it's going to make it into an array for us, and that should make everything happy. Let's try that. Cool. Looks good. Yeah, so this is one way to do it. There are many ways you can imagine. If you got it right, good job. It's whatever you needed to do to get this one done. Hit me up with any questions as usual, and see you in the next video.